Since the beginning of time, it's been you and me. This is a love story.
Child, free in the sun. God love got you second to none. You my rib, you are me, and I am you. We two in one, yeah. Let's reminisce on Genesis. The Lord touched me, I fell and slid into a spell. Woke up and saw your face covered in grace, my helpmate. Noticed I was missing the rib. Looked at the Lord with the awe at what he did through the garden picking figs. You and me, no kids. We ruled the world, girl, dominion over all that God made. All day we parlay and learn wisdom from the maker. I was rocking them dreads before them cats up in Jamaica. Had a love Jones for your body and your skin tone. Just me and you in this world all alone with those tears. No fears, no attitude from that time of the month. We stayed high off the glow of your God. I gave name to that plant but never needed the blunt. No sin, so with the Lord there was no reason to front. Birthday suited up, no shame, no religion, no ring. EVE, you are my queen, together we reign. You are me and I am you, we two in one. God, man, woman, child,